get some out of here quick. Fucking hell. Would you look at that? Just wait till you see this. An absolute little specimen of brown trout. I don't know if you've noticed, but I call all fish specimens because they're all belting in their own little right, aren't they? Let's get him back, getting bigger. What have we got? Easy chublet. We love little rivers, little beauties like that. Little chublet. And yes! Dodge a camera angle this as well, innit? Ooh, frowning. But isn't he nice? Or she, I don't know. Wee, almost.